For many organizations, especially professional service firms like law or accounting firms, the document management system is absolutely critical for them. It tracks, ideally, all the documents that the firm or organization has created and enables people to find documents that were done a long time ago by someone else. Really, really, really useful when it comes to creating as a sort of starting place for creating new documents, because you can look at precedent and spots where your organization has kind of treated this same issue before and perhaps find spots to copy off of. The big problem with document management systems, though, is that the volume of documents inside them can be immense, right? Like millions, tens of millions of documents can be in them. And so finding information in the document system, management system, can be really trouble. And so a constant sort of battle for knowledge management professionals is trying to bring better order into this massive amount of documents. And so one of the best ways to do that is to add metadata to documents so that users of the document management system can search over more data points. The problem is that a lot of the sort of individual level people at these professional service firms or just any organization don't really take the time to properly add metadata to the document management system, right? Like it's just not something when a lawyer is creating a new document where they're saying like the document type or the governing law or any special attributes about it. They're just like trying to get the documents created in the minimum amount of time and then spend a massive amount of time inside the document. If people were willing to do this, it'd be great, but that's not the world that we live in. One really neat thing about artificial intelligence is that you can use it to try to add metadata to documents in your document management system. And so using an embeddable contracts AI, you could potentially add the document type, like is this a keep well agreement or a credit agreement or an indenture or an IP license or an NDA, right? So you can add document type, you can add governing law, you can add title, parties, and date of the agreement, and even if it has any specific clauses in it. And all those pieces of metadata, maybe the language that the document is written in, all those pieces of metadata can then be added to your search index for the document management system, enabling you to do and your users to do much better searches across the document management system. So pretty doable and fits in with lawyers or accountants or consultants' everyday workflows, and not so hard, and AI can help.